It's official. Scientists finally confirmed what's inside the moon. The mystery of the moon's composition has been solved, and it turns out it's not made of green cheese after all. A comprehensive study published in May 2023 revealed that the moon's inner core is solid, resembling the density of iron. This discovery puts an end to the debate over whether the moon's core is solid or molten and provides valuable insights into the moon's history and the evolution of the solar system. The study, led by astronomer Arthur Briaud and his team at the French National Center for Scientific Research, sheds light on the moon's magnetic field evolution and supports the idea of a global mantle overturn scenario. This scenario suggests significant changes in the moon's interior over time, particularly in its first billion years. Understanding the composition of celestial bodies, like the moon, is best achieved through seismic data analysis. By studying how seismic waves travel through an object, scientists can create detailed maps of its interior. While previous seismic data from the Apollo missions provided some insight, it lacked the resolution needed to determine the moon's inner core state definitively. To solve this puzzle, Briaud and his team collected data from various space missions and lunar laser ranging experiments to create a detailed profile of the moon's characteristics. They then used modeling techniques to compare different core types and find the best match with observational data. Their findings revealed several key points. Firstly, their models support the idea of active overturn within the lunar mantle, where denser material sinks towards the center while less dense material rises. This process helps explain the presence of certain elements in volcanic regions of the moon. Additionally, the study confirmed that the moon's core resembles that of Earth, with a fluid outer layer and a solid inner core. According to their models, the outer core has a radius of about 362 kilometers, 225 miles, and the inner core has a radius of about 258 kilometers, 160 miles, accounting for about 15% of the moon's total radius. The density of the inner core was found to be approximately 7,822 kilograms per cubic meter, similar to that of iron. This aligns with earlier findings from a 2011 study led by NASA Marshall planetary scientist Rene Weber, which also suggested a solid inner core. These results have significant implications for understanding the moon's evolution, particularly its magnetic field history. The decline of the moon's magnetic field about 3.2 billion years ago is linked to changes in its core composition and activity. With plans for future lunar missions, including human exploration, seismic verification of these findings may not be far off. These discoveries bring us closer to unlocking the secrets of our celestial neighbor and the history of our solar system.